What's going on, everybody? Gardening with Barchuckin, back at it. I wanted to show a quick experiment today. Basically, I wanted to see what would happen if I cut a sucker off of a tomato plant and planted it in soil, what exactly the result would be. Come check it out. This is where the sucker was that I cut out and I planted into a little solo cup. Here's the rest of the tomato. I tend to understand things better when I get to see it and see exactly what somebody's saying. So everybody says, clip your sucker, plant it, and then you can propagate a new tomato plant. So I was just testing out this theory. Here it was. And sure enough, the stem went ahead and grew roots. I really don't have another place for it, so this was just to see if and what would happen. And hey, it does. So that's pretty sweet for a tip for next year, and I'm going to definitely use it, especially if I get a tomato that it has a little trouble in the beginning, and maybe I lost one or two due to, bad weather or something like that. I can always propagate some of these suckers to make new plants. So very cool. So what was great to see was the majority of the roots actually grew from the spot that was cut from the main stem of the tomato plant. The other really cool thing was that the stem actually grew roots. So this is definitely a technique that I'm going to be incorporating more in the upcoming seasons, so I can propagate a specific tomato plant. This will definitely improve tomato production, because we had a late frost which caused me to lose 9 of 13 plants. So I only had 4 for the whole season. So now I can incorporate this, remove the suckers, and actually propagate new tomato plants off of it, which is going to be great for the upcoming years. Don't forget, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.